So now I'm going to show you how we would install our cloud. I showed earlier on the fixing video that we want a drill bit that is of a similar sort of diameter to the end of the metal plug fixing. That's just to give us a pilot and to give us a start. You can actually force them in without a pilot hole, but it's much simpler with a pilot hole. So into our plasterboard, as I said before, when we decide where we want to go, we use our bradawl to make sure we've got the right hole, but in this instance I can actually see there's the timber, there's the plasterboard, so I am just going to drill straight into the plasterboard. Just like showing you. Okay, so we drill into there. Now if I change over to my Phillips screwdriver, okay, I can now take my metal fixing, okay, stick it in the end of the drill, and if I position that on my hole, you can see that's exactly the same size as the start of it, and just screw that in until the end of the plug is nicely flush with the plaster, and we want that to be as flush as possible. If it recesses very slightly, it doesn't matter, we can always go in with a bit of filler, but that's where we want to be. So I said, then we just take our plain simple cup hook and we screw that in to our raw plug, or into our metal fitting. Now the important thing to remember here is do not screw it all the way up to the end. This is important because what we want to do is we want to position the hook so that it's ready to take the cloud. We want it to be nice and... Can we stop, please? Sorry, that's my...